Okay, as you know, hydronium ion is represented as H3O plus. Okay, in order to explain the formation of hydronium ion, first of all we will have to understand the formation of water molecule. Okay, the formula for water is H2O. If you see the electronic configuration of hydrogen, it's 1. The electronic configuration of oxygen is 2, 6. So the valency of hydrogen is 1. The valency of oxygen, there are 6 electrons in the outermost orbit. It needs 2 more to make octet, so its valency is 2. If you exchange these valencies, okay, the formula becomes H2O. Okay, we will just show with the help of diagram quickly the formation of water molecule. So there are 2 atoms of hydrogen and there is 1 atom of oxygen. I'll draw the oxygen atom first. There are 2 electrons in the first orbit. There are 6 electrons in the second orbit, which will be represented like this. Plus I'll draw 1 hydrogen atom on one side with an electron, and I'll draw another hydrogen atom on the other side with this electron. Now when these atoms combine together, you can see here the oxygen atom. First orbit, the 2 electrons. These 4 electrons of oxygen will remain as they are. Now I'll have to show the overlapping of the orbits to show the sharing of electrons. You can see this is the electron from hydrogen and this is the electron from oxygen. Similarly here also, this is the electron from hydrogen and this is the electron from oxygen. Now if you see here, there are 6 electrons of oxygen of its own, and this 1 electron and this 1 electron are shared. So total number of electrons in the outermost orbit for oxygen becomes 6 plus 2, 8. Similarly, hydrogen is having 1 electron of its own, and this 1 electron it is sharing from oxygen. So now hydrogen is having, both the hydrogens will have 2 electrons in its shell, so it will complete its duplet state. Now this is about the formation of water molecule, but you can see over here there are 2 more pairs of electrons which are not shared at all. These are known as lone pair of electrons. Alright, so these lone pair of electrons also will have ability to attract the positive charge. Now whenever there is a hydrogen ion, these hydrogen ion will be present in presence of an acid. Okay, so whenever an acid is dissolved, you can see, for example, you can take here HCl, hydrochloric acid. It will produce H plus plus Cl minus. Now this is a positive ion which is carrying a positive charge, and obviously the lone pair of electrons will carry the negative charge. So there will be a force of attraction between these positive ion and the lone pair of electrons. So these both will combine together and they will form H2O is already there and one more H with a positive charge. So this together gives us H3O plus. Now this all can be shown with the help of diagram also and with the help of an equation also. Okay, I'll first take this in the form of an equation. Water is H2O. It is combining with H plus, that is hydrogen ion. This is due to the presence of an acid. This together, 2 hydrogen and 1 more H, it will become H3O. Here there is no charge on water. Here there is a positive charge, so overall charge is going to be H3O plus. This is nothing but hydronium ion. Now this also can be represented with the help of the diagram. Now water molecule, again I am just showing the outermost orbit of oxygen. You can see there are 8 electrons plus This H is there, you can see there is no orbit, so the proton is carrying a positive charge. So what will happen, this hydrogen will come over here and it will share this pair of electrons. So the oxygen atom is already over here, which I will draw as it is. These two electrons are over here, these two electrons over here. Other all parts which are there, they are remaining same as it is. But this proton which is there, it comes over here. Make a box over here because it is carrying a positive charge. This is formation of hydronium ion